Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's in this channel, here I am talking about all the shortcut key of Microsoft Word. Here are some common shortcut key of Microsoft Word. First, Control A, select all text in a document. Second, Control plus B, bold selected text. Third, Control C, copy selected text or item. Fourth, Control D, open the font dialog box. Fifth, Control E, center selected text. Sixth, Control F, open the search function. 7. Control plus G, go to the specific page line or bookmark. 8th, Control plus H, open the find and replace dialog box. 9th, Control plus I, italicize selected text. 10th, Control plus J, justify selected text. 11th, Control plus K, insert a hyperlink. 12th, Control plus L, left align selected text. 13. Control plus N, indent the paragraph. 14. Control plus N, create a new document. 15th. Control plus O, open an exiting document. 16. Control plus P, print the document. 17th. Control plus Q, remove paragraph formatting. 18th. Control plus R, right align selected text. 19th. Control plus S, save the document. 20. Control plus U, underline selected text. 21. Control plus V, paste copied or cut text or item. 22. Control plus W, close the current document. 23. Control plus X, cut selected text or item. 24. Control plus Y, redo the previous action. Control Z, undo the previous action. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share for more information right now.